Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you a little bit between the ceramic cutter, the steel cutter, and the 5-in-1 cutter. Looks like Smokey wants to say hi. Where are we using it? Yeah. So, here we go. So the steel cutters look like this. They're pretty thick. Whereas the 5-in-1s are way smaller, way thinner. Maybe you can see it this way better. So that is why 5-in-1 cutters will go dull faster, because they don't have much metal there. And when they heat up, get a little piece of dirt in here, it just goes dull real fast. So that's why. And then the steel cutter versus a ceramic cutter. As you can see, this is a ceramic cutter, and right here there's a broken tooth, so it's not going to cut there. So the ceramic cutter is bad, and these are much more expensive. And you can see from the other side, it doesn't look as bad. Hard to see when it's actually on your clipper blade, but we can really see it when it comes off. So I like the steel cutters versus ceramic just because they last longer. Well, they don't last longer, they're more durable, I should say. They're more durable, and they don't chip like a ceramic, so. And they're cheaper to buy still. So I hope this helps some of you, and if you have any questions or if I missed something, let me know. All right, bye.